When it comes to increasing the value of your home, it's often the small changes that can make the biggest impact. One such change that can have a significant effect on both curb appeal and property value is door replacement. Whether you're considering replacing the front door, interior doors, or garage doors, updating these fixtures can lead to a noticeable improvement in your home's appearance and functionality. In Frederick, where real estate can be competitive and homeowners are always looking for ways to stand out, investing in door replacement is an affordable and effective strategy to boost your property's market value. Curb appeal and first impressions matter. The front door is one of the first things people notice when approaching your home. If the door is outdated, damaged, or simply lacks personality, it can detract from your home's overall appeal. On the other hand, a stylish, modern door can serve as a striking focal point that enhances the aesthetic of your home. Potential buyers or guests will form their first impression based on the condition and appearance of your entryway. A new front door can provide a dramatic change, improving the first impression of your property and setting a positive tone for the rest of the home. Additionally, homes with attractive, well-maintained entry doors are often seen as more valuable and well cared for, which can sway potential buyers to offer a higher price. Whether you go for a traditional, classic look or opt for a sleek, contemporary design, choosing a door that complements your home's architectural style will pay dividends in terms of curb appeal. Increased energy efficiency and cost saving. In Frederick's fluctuating climate, energy efficiency is a top concern for homeowners. An old or poorly insulated door can result in drafts, making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. This, in turn, can increase energy bills and lead to more frequent repairs. Replacing your old doors with energy-efficient models can greatly improve insulation, reduce drafts, and increase overall energy savings. Modern doors come with improved materials and technologies, such as insulated cores, dual-pane glass, and weather stripping that helps keep your home comfortable year-round. As energy-conscious homebuyers become more common, they will appreciate the investment you've made in lowering utility costs. When it's time to sell your Frederick property, this added benefit can make your home more appealing to potential buyers, helping you justify a higher asking price. Security and safety enhancement. Security is always a priority for homeowners, and a new door can provide an upgraded level of protection for your property. Older doors, especially those made from wood or with weakened locks, may be vulnerable to forced entry. On the other hand, modern doors are built with stronger materials, advanced locking mechanisms, and reinforced frames, making them much more secure. By replacing old doors, you not only improve the safety of your home but also give prospective buyers peace of mind knowing they're moving into a property with the latest security features. This can be an appealing selling point, especially for families or those who prioritize safety. Upgrading interior doors. While the front door is the most noticeable, replacing interior doors can also enhance the overall look and feel of your home. Outdated or worn-out doors in bathrooms, bedrooms, or living spaces can detract from the interior design and make your property feel tired. Swapping them for newer, More stylish doors can elevate the ambiance and modernize the space. Interior doors come in a variety of styles, from classic to contemporary, allowing you to select the perfect look for each room. These updates can make your home feel more cohesive and well-maintained, offering a significant return on investment when it comes time to sell. The bottom line: a wise investment for the future. Incorporating door replacement into your home improvement plan is a smart decision for boosting your property's value in Frederick. Whether it's the front door, interior doors, or garage doors, a fresh, modern update can improve curb appeal, increase energy efficiency, enhance security, and elevate the interior design. All of these factors contribute to a higher perceived value of your property, which can help you secure a higher sale price when you decide to list. Additionally, door replacement is a relatively low-cost upgrade compared to other home renovations, offering one of the highest returns on investment. It's a quick and effective way to boost your home's appeal and attract potential buyers who will appreciate the attention to detail and the quality of your home. So, if you're looking to increase the value of your Frederick property, consider investing in door replacement. It's a small change with a big impact.